We have seen in 11th standard the determinants and the matrices. So let's continue further. What we have in this is first part is transformation. In this chapter we'll be seeing about the transformations of rows or column, as well as we'll be seeing the inverse of matrices. So let's start with transformation. Transformation में we have elementary transformation. Elementary transformation में you will have either row transformation or column transformation. You know it very well. You write the matrices in this form, right? And this is only for square matrices. Okay. Now, transformation of row means you will change the row. Transformation of row. Now, yeah, the order of matrices is 2 by 2 because you have 2 rows and 2 columns. Order इसका is 2 by 2. You have 2 rows and 2 columns. अब इसमें rows कौन से आपके? Let's थोड़ा सा basic चला. These are the rows, horizontal line. This is the second row. You have 2 rows. Clear? So AB is one row, CD is second row, and you have column, that is AC is one column, BD is the second column. So you have 2 rows and 2 columns. अब इसमें transformation में what you gonna do is transformation of row में you will write row 1 has been transformed to row 2. Clear? Row 1 मतलब row 1 row 2 की जगह पे आएगा and row 2 will come in place of row 1. Thus this arrow indicates that it's getting interchange. तो अब इसका transformation अगर आपने करना है, the transformation of this will become row 1 will come in place of row 2 and row 2 will go in place of row 1. This is a transformation of rows. ठीक है, row को तुमने interchange कर दिया. And then you have column का एक example ले लेते हैं. Column का you change, you have only 2 columns, so always in a transformation में you have double arrow का sign. Clear? इसका transformation जब करेंगे तो this column will change. Column 1 जो आपका है AC will go in place of BD and BD will come in place of AC. The transformation of column C1 to C2 and C2 to C1, that will become in this form. AC. मतलब if you look at this, this was your column 1 AC, now that has become your column 2. ये column 2 था, BD was your column 2, that has become your column 1. तो transformation में only you are gonna change the rows to row. अच्छा, ये one of the important point, transformation will only take place between rows. ठीक है, अगर row है तो row के बीच में ही लेंगा. If it's column तो it will take column only. A transformation does not take place in such a way that row 1 changes to column 1. ये नहीं होता. राइट, क्या रो 2 विल चेंज टू कॉलम 1? ये नहीं होगा. रो है तो रो के बीच में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा, कॉलम होगा तो कॉलम के बीच में ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा. देयर वोंट बी एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बिटवीन रोज एंड कॉलम. कॉलम कॉलम के बीच में ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, रो रोज के बीच में ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है. नाउ let's take in transformation के लिए थोड़ा सा example. You have A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. ठीक है, this is your matrices. ठीक है, matrices को हमेशा what we do is that we give them a name. A या कोई matrices A या we give them B, X, the same. So this matrices is given by A. ठीक है, A is this thing. Now transformation of row 1, row 2, right? Row 1 is your 1 and 2, row 2 is 3 and 4. Transformation करेंगे तो you will have this as 3 and 4 आपका ऊपर चले गया and 1 and 2 नीचे आ गया, ठीक है. This row will come down and this will go up. Transformation हो गया. Row 1 के आगे पे row 2 आ गया and row 2 के आगे पे you have row 1. ठीक है. Don't make 1 over here and this thing. उसको ये निकालना. And this is equivalent to. ये equal नहीं है but it's an equivalent. तो you will use this sign. Clear? ये याद रखना. क्या? That is equivalent but it's not equal. ये रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया. इसका अगर कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है तो C1 की जगह पे you will make it C2. Again you will have this as ये कॉलम इधर आ गया. पहला कॉलम is your 2 and 4 and second column is 1 and 3. This is also equivalent to. Clear? This is equivalent to this and this is also equivalent to this, but it's not an equal. This is a simple way of transformation. Row को सिर्फ change करते हैं, column को सिर्फ you have to change it. Clear? Just remember this thing because transformation के through afterwards you will be having sums which you need to solve using the transformation method. The transformation method का makes things clear how its transformation is taking place. Now this was the transformation of rows and column. Now multiplication of elements of rows and column. Up you will have multiplication of elements of any row or column by a non-zero scalar. ठीक है. Multiplication हो रहा है आपका. तो let's take इसमें example के साथ ही I'll explain to you. You have again take A as 0, 2, 3, 4, right? This is your A. आपके पास matrices is this is 2, 0, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now you have to transform this as R2 transform to 4R2, right? अभी if you look at this, इसमें this R2 is getting changed. एक ही arrow it's pointing towards only one direction. This R2 is getting changed to 4R2. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? This row 2 is getting multiplied by 4. अब आपके पास row 2 का है. This is your row 2, right? 3 and 4. This was your row 1. This is your row 2. अब this row 2 is getting multiplied by 4. इसका मतलब ये जो आपका नंबर है रो 1 तो आपका कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? रो 1 का वी हैव नॉट मेंशन एनीथिंग. रो 1 विल बी एज इट इज. रो 1 आपका ऐसे ही है. रो 2 के आगे पे क्या कर रहे तुम? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे. दिस इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 एंड इवन दिस इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4. क्लियर? तो व्हेनेवर यू हैव दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वेयर रो 2 यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पता है दिस इज चेंजिंग. रो 2 चेंज हो रहा है. This shows that it getting transformed into 4 row 2. That means 4 से उसको multiply करना है. तो this will be your matrix is 0, 4 3s are 12, 2, 4 4s are 16. Clear? So you have changed this thing, and again this is matrix is eta. This is equivalent to A. It's not equal to A. Clear? Now let's take another transformation जहाँ पे C1 is getting transformed into -3 C1, right? अब C1 ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है -3 C1 को. मतलब क्या है? Which is your column 1. This is your column 1, right? तो आपका जो column 1 चेंज हो रहा है, that see the arrow is pointing. This is changing, transforming. मतलब चेंज हो रहा है. This is changing into -3. तो आपका कॉलम 2 तो कुछ नहीं होगा. कॉलम 2 विल बी एज इट इज, दैट इज 2 and 4. बट कॉलम 1 है दैट इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -3. -3 इंटू व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट नंबर 0 एंड -3 इंटू व्हाट इज योर दिस थिंग 3. क्लियर? सो एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0 इज 0 ओनली. क्लियर? ये आपका 0 ही हो गया. -3 into 3 will give you -9, and this is 2 and 4. A is equivalent to 0, 2, minus 9 and 4. So this is how it transfers when the getting multiplied by a scalar number, non-zero scalar number. Clear? Now